জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
No matter what has happened to him, he will have to recover. He will have to recover. I beg you, ma'am. Please don't stop me from going there. I have to go to sir, ma'am. Please, please don't stop me. I have to go.
You will go. Rangana,
Yes?
get the first car you find. I will also go with you.
Okay, I'll go right away. Friend, I'll get a taxi.
No matter what, please protect Tripto, Lourdes. Please protect him. Please don't let any harm come to him. Even if I lost my power, you are the giver of power, Lourdes. You haven't lost your power, Lourdes. Protect him with your power. Please, please protect him. Ma'am, listen. We can't wait for the car. Let's go, please.
But how will we go? It's a long way.
Nothing will happen. We don't need anything. We'll go running.
But you can go running. How will we go?
Friend! Friend! I've brought a car. Come on. The car is ready.
Oh my, you are unbelievable. What have you done? Will Nayan go to the hospital in this car? This is the groom's car.
So what? Look how beautiful it is, huh? Usually the groom goes to take his wife in such car. But this time, the wife will go to take her husband. Come on, friend. Don't delay. Bring Tripto back safe and sound.
But don't talk so much, Aunt Pratima. Listen, we have to go to sir as soon as possible. Get into the car, okay?
Yes,
Let's
she's
go in the car.
right. Let's go in this car. Come on. You two get in. I will go
Okay,
on that
okay.
side.
Hey Lord, please make sure that Tripto comes back home. Then I'll make offerings of chili paneer and chow mein.
Chow mein? Where did chow mein go?
What Nayan wanted happened. She didn't let my wedding happen. I can't let her go after this. Not at all. I can't accept this.
Jasmine!
Jasmine!
Jasmine, open the door,
Jasmine!
please.
Jasmine, open the door.
Jasmine, please open the door.
Jasmine, please cool down.
Jasmine, calm down, dear. Please open the door.
Jasmine,
We aren't happy
open
about
the
what
door,
happened
please.
either. But we... Jasmine, you can't lose your temper and take a wrong step. We have to keep our cool, Jasmine.
Jasmine, open the door once.
Hey, what happened? What's this commotion? Oh, has Chow Mein locked herself in? I get it. I'm sure she's hanging herself as her wedding got called off. Oh no, she won't find a rope in the room, huh? The poor woman is in a fix. Hey, Chow Mein, open the door. I will give you the rope.
Be quiet, Rangana. Only she knows what she's going through and you're making fun of it. Don't you have any compassion? How can foolish people become so inhumane?
What do I do, uncle? It's the result of your company. You are so inhuman to my friend. My behavior is nothing compared to that. Okay, fine. Since you are insisting, from this moment onwards, I will be human. Hey, listen, we can't stand still. Let's kick the door. Break it open.
Sanjukta, please ask this fool to stop.
Hey, Chow Mein, open the door. Don't hang yourself. Look, so many human people have gathered outside for you.
What's going on, Rangana? There's a limit to craziness. Have you completely lost it? Why will she hang herself?
She won't hang herself, mother. Will she set herself ablaze? that will be disastrous, mother. The whole house will burn down. Oh my! Hey, Xiaomin! Open the door. Listen, don't burn yourself. You are already burning with anger as you didn't get married. What's the point of burning yourself? Open the door. Mother, talk to her.
She's been talking nonsense for so long. I won't spare Rangana today.
Yay! Xiaomin has come out of the packet, mother. Look, nothing has happened to her. She's perfectly fine.
Hey, what is the matter with you? Huh? What is the matter with you? Why do you consider me as your enemy? Why are you so happy about my damage?
Oh my, you're such a fool. Won't I be happy? You always want to harm my friend. Now that you have been harmed, I will obviously be happy. Ta-ta!
Mrs. Basu, ask her to go away from here. Ask her to leave or else I will...
Or else what? What will you do? Will you leave the house? Okay, I will go and pack your bag.
Rangana, stop this nonsense. You're overdoing it. Stop rubbing salt in the wound. Go away from here.
Listen, are you driving me away?
Rangana, don't infuriate me. I'm not in a good mood. I'm not able to tolerate your nonsense. I hope you know what I can do if I lose my temper, right? Now go. Go.
I have annoyed Xiaomin. Now I can go.
What were you doing? We were so worried. Why weren't you opening the door?
I can't think clear. I just don't know what to do. I have no idea.
Jasmine, please. I can understand everything. We aren't able to think straight either. But we have to keep our cool and handle the situation. Deepu hallucinated his mom today. He won't do it every day. Have some patience, please. Will you give up so easy?
Mrs. Basu, Jasmine will never give up. She's my sister. I want to talk to my sister in private for 2 minutes. I hope you all won't mind. Let me talk to her. Jasmine, let's go in. Come on, Jasmine. Please come in.
Jasmine is shattered, Vicky. Look at her condition.
Sanjukta, since when did you start thinking about others more than yourself?
What are you trying to say?
Dripto fainted and fell down. Had something sharp been there, he might have got injured. You know, I'm feeling bad. Why didn't that happen? The owner of the property would have died and we wouldn't have to bother about the wedding.
Isn't it better to think about what can happen than what did not happen? Looking at Deepu's action, I'm afraid Jasmine might refuse to get married.
Listen, Sanjukta. Jasmine is a step ahead of us. Yes, we need not worry about her. She's very smart. As far as I've observed her or understood her, she's like a leech. She won't leave Dripto. She knows very well how profitable it is to marry Dripto. And that girl understands her profit and loss well, if nothing else. But I'm worried about something else. How did Dripto start hallucinating his mother Kalpana all of a sudden? It has never happened before.
Exactly so. I have seen Deepu since his childhood, but I never experienced such a thing. Does that mean Deepu is mentally ill?
Lourdes. Oh, Lourdes. Please cure Dripto. Please protect him.
Nurse, immediately administer the injection.
Yes, sir.
No. He is not responding. OT ready?
Yes, sir.
Jeet. Jeet, please find out when the doctor will come. He took Deepu to examine him, but he hasn't come out yet.
Dad, you please come with me. No, you please sit down, Dad. Listen to me once, Dad. Please listen to me. You please sit down first. Come on, sit. Listen, Dad. Please have some patience. He will come soon. You don't have to.
I can't, Jeet. I am unable to have patience. I wonder what game Lord is playing with me.
Dad,
Yes.
the doctor is here.
Oh. Doctor, Deepu will be fine, won't he?
Mr. Basu, after thoroughly examining him, what I understood is that the injury is quite serious. And there will be a lot of stitches. Besides, he didn't regain consciousness yet. We are trying our best. Until the operation is done.
It's a major operation, doctor.
In terms of time, it's not major. But a lot of things depend on the success of this operation. Anyway, tell me something. How did this happen? I mean, it's not normal to receive such a deep injury.
No, I mean, he fell.
Deepu was blabbering nonsense before he fell, doctor. I mean, kind of, you can call it delirium.
Delirium? He was in that state when he fell. What are you saying?
No. I mean,
Papa, brother, please keep quiet. Let me talk, please. Doctor, I think there's something wrong with his brain. Otherwise, why would he say such nonsensical things?
Exactly. Had he been in a state of delirium after falling, I would have assumed that he behaved that way because of the injury. But he was in state of delirium before falling. No, I'm not able to understand this.
Sir, OT is ready.
Okay, go on, I'm coming. You please be seated.
I can't understand one thing. How did Deepu get harmed although Nayan was there? Why couldn't Nayan save Deepu? Couldn't she foresee this danger?
Sir, how long will it take us to arrive?
We are almost there, ma'am.
Please drive faster. It's very late.
Brother is calling Madhu. Yes. Hello, brother? Yes, talk to Madhu. Here. Talk to him.
Why has father called? How is Tripta doing?
Tapo, how is Deepu?
He isn't well, mother. He isn't well. They took him to the operation theatre, Mom.
Operation? He needs an operation?
He has lost a lot of blood. He needs to be operated, Mom.
Oh,
I can't understand anything, Mom. I'm feeling very restless. If anything happens to Deepu, I won't be at peace even after dying, Mom.
stop it. What are you saying? Don't say such things, Tapo. Deepu will be all right. Don't lose hope, son. Nothing will happen to Deepu. He will be fine.
I thought that Nayan would protect my son. That's why I was relaxed, Mom. But But why couldn't Nayan see Deepu's danger this time, Mom? Why couldn't she save Deepu from this danger, Mom? Tell me.
Ma'am, ma'am, what did father say? Tell me, how is sir, ma'am, please? What happened, ma'am? Why are you quiet? Tell me what father said. Tell me. Tell us, mother.
Rangana didn't say anything wrong. I think you have lost your power. Otherwise, you should have seen that Deepu would face this danger. Why couldn't you foresee it?
Mom, since you don't want me to, I won't get married to her. Please don't leave me and go, please. Mom, I won't disobey you, Mom. I won't disobey you, Mom. Just don't leave me and go, Mom.
Really? This time I couldn't foresee sir's danger, ma'am. Like this has never happened before. Every time sir got into trouble, I foresaw it, ma'am. I foresaw it. But I didn't foresee anything this time. Ma'am. Ma'am, I couldn't protect sir this time, ma'am. I couldn't save Tripto, sir, ma'am.
No!
I couldn't.
Nayan, don't do this. Please calm down. Calm down.
How do I calm down? How do I calm down, Aunt Pratima? If I can't protect him, then why will I be needed in his life? Please tell me. I won't be needed.
Oh my, what are you saying, Nayan?
What I'm saying is right. I am right, Aunt Pratima. I am right. Why do I follow sir everywhere like a shadow? In order to protect him from dangers. That's why father brought me here, so that I could save him. If I can't foresee his danger, then what's my need in his life? Why will I be needed? I won't be needed.
Stop it, will you? Mother, please ask her to stop.
Keep quiet, Nayan. Please keep quiet. Don't think of all this. Pratima is right. Calm down. You should rather pray to the goddess that she will help Deepu recover. His danger will be averted. Pray to the goddess. Pray to goddess Nayan.
It's not just about this time, ma'am. Did my power really go to Tripto sir somehow? Then his danger will increase.
What? What do you mean? Why will his danger increase?
I won't be able to see the future. I won't be able to protect him either, ma'am. And the one who can foresee the future can't save himself. They can't foresee their own dangers, ma'am. It means Tripto sir won't be able to foresee his danger. He won't be able to see it. What will happen now, ma'am? What will happen? I won't be able to protect him. Sir, Aunt Pratima, I won't be able to protect sir. I won't. He won't be able to save himself either. What will happen? What will happen then?
The one who foresees the future can't foresee one's own dangers.
No, ma'am, they can't. I've never foreseen my dangers to date, ma'am. I have never seen. That doesn't mean I've never faced any danger. The Lourdes gives this power to someone to use it for others' well-being. And the Lourdes herself decides that person's fate. The Lotus herself writes that person's good and bad fortune, ma'am. And an ordinary person can't foresee what the Lotus has written in their fate. Ma'am, sir is in grave danger, ma'am. Grave danger.
To top it all, Jasmine, whose wedding is called off, will become more dangerous, Mother. What will happen now?